Texta AI. Is this the future of content generation? Hi, I'm Henry from ProductCreationFormula, and here at ProductCreationFormula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now here we are at a site called Texta, T-E-X-T-A. Now this is an AI content creation tool, and this is, from what I can see, one of the better ones. It does long form content. It has, I'll just show you that. We'll just show you some of the things it can do with the long form. It can do academic articles, blog posts, real estate blogs, art and culture, marketing blog posts, e-commerce blog posts, business blogs, internet and technology blogs, health and wellness blogs, fitness blogs, lifestyle blogs, how-to blog articles, guide articles, paragraphs, blog ideas, blog titles, blog intros, blog outros, essay intros, essay outline, and headline generator. And that was for the long form content. You also have down here, you've got e-commerce blogs, you've got real estate blogs, social media blogs, health and wellness blogs, and we have PR, which is health and wellness blogs, internet and technology blogs, and real estate blogs. Of course, you have your e-commerce, which is Amazon product description, and then you also have your social ads. So you've got description, Facebook primary text, Facebook description, Facebook headlines, Google headlines, video title generator, and also I used the video title generator to come up with the title for this video, so I know it's working. Okay, Google description, ad copy, and LinkedIn ads. Startup tools you have over here. You've got your value proposition, slogan generator, and you can have a look through here yourself when you have a look at it. You've also got website copy. You've got your subheader text, question generator, meta description, event description, micro copy. Then you have your sales copy. So you got your marketing strategy, you got ADA, copywriting techniques, as well as your feature and benefits. And of course you've got email and letterheads, you've got welcome emails, you've got follow-up emails, confirmation emails, thank yous, and cancellation emails. And then we have careers. You've got your LinkedIn profile headline, LinkedIn profile summary, and cover letters. And you also can earn credits. If you decide that you're going to go for this, you can also earn extra credits by get 50 extra coins by sharing it on 𝗕𝗄𝗅 reviews. You can do Twitter posts, G2 reviews, Facebook posts, Trustpilot reviews, as well as by using Gmail, sending things out to Gmail. And also, if you can join the affiliate program, and also if you do a YouTube review, you get another 50 coins. So this is a really good way to be able to get this and earn extra coins. So let's go and have a look very quickly at the pricing. Now over here you got your one click away from your perfect blog post, and as you go through you can have a look around and really get into having a good look at it here, have a bit of a read. But let's go straight across and have a look at the pricing. The pricing blew me away. You can sign up for free, but then you have a look over here, you got your starter at $10 a month, $120 billed annually, and you can try it for free. You've also got, that's if it's done monthly. Is that annually? No, that's annually. Then you also have free, which is $17 a month, and you can try it for free. But you get 600,000 words here, but with this one here, you can get 600,000 words. You can use 5 user seats. And over here, you've got $29 a month, but you get 1.2 million words to use. And this is what it comes with. You get long form generator, short form generator, as well as SEO, and various other things right here. And as you scroll through, you can have a look at what they have. So my suggestion will be, maybe go for this one and $10 a month, and I'm pretty sure that's 600,000 words in a year. And it'll probably take you that long to go through that many anyway, so there's a lot of words in that. And it's not characters by the looks of it, it's words, so it's even better. Alright, now let's go and have a quick look at what this is like. Click on it here. Now, we're going to go starting off with a blog post straight away. I'm going to go click on long form, and I'm just going to go straight across to this one here which says blog post. I'm going to click on that. And this starts off with one that you have one right there. I'm going to just delete that. And let's put in here how to start a YouTube. Okay, so that'll do. And then we're just going to go create article. Now you can choose to go the advanced option if you wish to. But if you do decide to go the advanced option, it's a lot more complicated. You just click on that. And you've got to put your seed here. But you can choose the various things like friendly, informal, reader's blog. But I'm just going to go back and I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to go back to simple, and you can choose what sort of It's going to be English, and then all you have to do is just click create or generate article, and then you can click that. Now this won't take long, and if you want to, you can earn 2,000 words, extra 2,000 words if you wish to, by promoting it on these different sites that they suggested. So, how to build a YouTube channel that rocks. Okay, that's pretty cool. Introduction. If you want to be a YouTube sensation, you need to start by building a great channel. You don't need fancy equipment or a team of experts. You just need to put the hard work and learn how to produce quality content. Here are 5 tips to help you get started. Well, that's really good. That is really good. YouTube is a video sharing website that allows users to upload, views, and share videos. You can create a YouTube channel for free, or you can pay for subscriptions. That's true. The most important thing to remember when creating a YouTube channel is that you need to have interesting and entertaining content scheduled. You also need to make sure your channel has permission from YouTube to release any videos without prior consent. So in other words, what they're trying to say there is, if you have videos that could possibly be copyrighted, you need to be careful with that. And you need to make sure that you are not breaching copyright by sharing that particular content on YouTube. Okay, how to start a YouTube channel, and then you can just first sign up to a YouTube account, and then so have a read through that, and it's really well written. I have it as casual, and it's a decently long blog, as you can see. Now I'm going to copy all of this, pop this into a text document, and then we'll get right back to check how many words this has created. It says it's down here 759 words. It feels like it's longer than that, but I could be wrong. Let's go and see how accurate that is. So let's copy that, and we'll pop that into a Word document, and we'll see what it comes up with. Okay, now let's just place this straight into here. And we can go over here to where it says word count. We click on that. 759 words, just like what it said it was going to be. So we close that off. It said 759 words, and that is exactly how many it got. Now you can also add extra content if you wish to. So for example, you want to continue on with the thought that's going on here. You can just put the cursor right there, and then you can hit add more. You can add more of a paragraph, or you can add more sentences. So let's just add paragraph right there. We can click on that and let it add a bit of extra content. It only takes a few seconds. There we go. Let's click away from here, and let's have a look and see what it added. There are a few things you can do in order to make more money from YouTube. Start by creating high quality videos that receive a lot of views. Sell advertising space on your videos. That is actually something you can do. Offer paid features such as exclusive reviews, interviews. You can do that if you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can create a membership site if you wish to on YouTube. Earn revenue through paywalls or other methods that require viewers to pay in order to increase. I think I'd get rid of that one. Let's get rid of that. That would not be one I want to keep because that is not accurate, that part. But anyway, that is something you can do. You can add a little bit of extra content here. Go down here. There we go. And as you read through, you can make sure it's all accurate, and any misinformation that might be there, you can then get rid of that. So there we go. It comes up to 806 words now. Now let's go back and have a quick look at what this is like. We'll just go back over here. Oh, we can also save it. I could have saved that. Oh, it saved it for me anyway. That's good. I meant to save it. Now let's have a quick look over here. You can have a look at the editor right here by clicking on that. And you can have a look at what they have here. What I've done here is I've got here on YouTube is not hard. Okay, so you can get rid of that. And you can add extra things here by writing a line and having it add more content for you. And you can continue doing that until such times as you have a full article. Now we can also go back. Oops, daisy. So we can, and now we're back here. We can now go have a look at other things they've got here. So as I said, you can buy extra credits if you wish to, and you can do 250 coins for $15, 600 coins for $25, and so forth. Now let's go and have a look at creating headline for a video, and let's see what that comes up with. Okay, now let's go down here to social ads, and we'll click on that, and we can scroll down to where it says video title generator. Click on that, and we can get rid of that there because we probably don't need that. It's just giving you something to work with. Now we go, okay, I've already got AI powered content generation. Okay, we'll call this one AI content generation, and let's see what it comes up with. Go create, and this will give us 3 or 4 examples and allow continue. Here we go. Texta AI, a revolutionary text editor for content creators. Texta AI, the best way to generate content. Okay, let's have a look at that because it makes more sense. Okay, let's go copy, and we'll pop this over here in YouTube. And I like to check these over here. Let's go launch Keyword Explorer in TubeBuddy, and we can go click on there, and we go Control V, and this will tell us whether or not this is going to be a good title or not. Okay, so it says excellent in the weighted section. That means the ones that are specific for your particular channel niche. And this one here says excellent as well. So as you can see, it has come up with a very, very good title. And it's come up straight away with a title that is a winning title. Over here, you'll see mine says unlimited. That's because I bought this from 𝗕𝗓𝘂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗓. I'll leave a link in the description down below for 𝗕𝗓𝘂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗓. Now all you need to do is just scroll through here when you first go in there, and then you just have to look for Texta AI. There it is. You just click on that, and you better get that for $49, and that is a lifetime license, and you get unlimited everything right now. So for the moment, it's unlimited. I don't know for how much longer it's going to be like that, so you might want to get in pretty quickly. Otherwise, you're going to need to pay $90 something a year to be able to get access to this for $49. So you can do that, and you can have a look at what they have here. Now, I have to say, I will leave a link for this in the description down below. Otherwise, if this deal is finished by the time you get to watch this video, you can always have a look down in the description down below. There will be a link for this as well, where you can then get access to this for $10 a month or $120 a year. Or if you want to pay it monthly, it's $25 a month, which I think is a bit of a rip off. You're probably better off going for $10 a month at $120 a year if you're going to do it that way. But I will leave a link for 𝗕𝗓𝘂𝗧𝘂𝗧𝗓 down in the description down below. Alright guys, now over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like, and over here is an image of my head. If you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.